when you think about Highland Park and how downtown was revitalized, how I think Dugan did a hell of a job. And the thing is that I like downtown, so I want it to be somewhere where I can go back and forth. And Highland Park was the closest thing to that. And if you look around at the houses in Highland Park, man, it's really nothing like it. Um, Outside of the Boston Addison area, and you have Virginia Park and those type of places where you have these big, magnificent houses. Floor plans on some of these houses are just amazing. Um, and I never grew up here, but younger, my grandmother's brother, Theodore Green, and her other brother, Frank Green, lived in Highland Park. So we used to come over here when I was younger with them on the holidays, and I thought, they was mansions compared to me. They were mansions, at that time. So I I always liked the area. 64, it went up first day. It was taken. So the financial something happened with the deal. Put it back on the market. Went again like that. Young kid got it. He's happy as hell. It's a great buy for him. It's a great house. So it's a real good house. So he's a good kid, about in his 20s. Nice kid, man. But this whole block, I was planning on trying to go through and fix. But now we here 76. It needs a whole hell of a lot of work. So I was kind of slow about developing this one. Huh? Huh? What you say?
Oh shit, we doing the
Just a biography on Highland Park. It's a house right there behind all them damn bushes over there. That house is the first house that I done seen that's smaller like these that has a den in it. It's nice. Matter of fact, they say that Eminem's group, what's the name of those guys?
D12.
D12, they had that house and they were doing music and stuff in that house. That's a beautiful house. This house right here, my friend fixed that one up. The woodwork in there is amazing. And in Ferndale, they may have what, 1,000 square feet, and that's considered a big ass house in Ferndale. So so how can you compare that to this? You know what I mean? So eventually I felt like by it being so close to downtown, it was gonna come back, and now it's coming back in a big way. Now this was the firehouse, and you can look up there in the window over there. Fire started up there. We had to redefine the window. It matches exactly to the other window now. We had to knock down the porch and do the cement, this, that, and the other. It's gonna be a very upscale house. So the outside's not totally done yet. The first floor in here is almost done. We're gonna go look at this. Now, seeing that this is the new, seeing that this is the focal point when they come in the house, I always try to go a little bit extra in here. And I got a gothic type feel from this room, so I went back with that. I tried to match it up as much close as possible. What happened is that these beams, people were telling me, and of course I wanted to do the same thing. The beams were painted, okay? The fireplace was brick, and it was painted. I hate both. Now the thing is that the beams, they had like 3 and 4 layers of paint stain. So, it would have took like 2-3 months just to clean that up. And we don't basically give me the same effect. And this is what I came up with. I decided to go ahead and paint the beam and then put the wood paneling up for the ceiling. And then match that up with the mantle on the fireplace. And the wood floors will set it all up, bring it all together. And it came out, and this is what I came up with.